the doctors' strike that has been called off, but really showing his ignorance when he made that statement there. After more than 30 deaths during the doctors' 5-day strike, he's brazenly claimed that no one died. He also accuses the media of playing up the doctors' strike. Let's take a listen in.
कौन मार रहा है? तुम्हारे परिवार में कौन मारा? तुम्हारे गांव में? आप डॉक्टरों की हड़ताल को इतना महत्व दे रहे हैं, जबकि डॉक्टरों को नहीं करना चाहिए हड़ताल.
Let's get in some inputs from our correspondent Supriya Bhardwaj with us. Supriya, despite the facts, despite the existing facts there, the SP chief really wanting to play down the crisis that was created because of the doctors' strike there.
Certainly, in a way, this shows the insensitivity of the Samajwadi Party government in Uttar Pradesh. There are approximately 23 people who have died in this 6-day-long strike, which was called off in the morning. But now we are learning from the sources in Uttar Pradesh that the doctors in Lucknow have said that they have again gone on strike. They're saying the strike is not over yet because though their colleagues were released from the jails and the SSP of Kanpur was transferred, they are still asking for a legal action against the SSP Kanpur. So latest reports that we are getting from Lucknow is this, that the doctors have gone back on the strike. The 2 p.m. deadline which was set by High Court, we saw this action from the Akhilesh government after that only of transferring SSP Kanpur.
This is significant news, Supriya, that you're getting us. You're saying that the doctors there are continuing with their strike, which means that the strike that entered the 5th day today, it continues. The doctors there have not called off their strike now. They've gone back to it.
Certainly, the people we spoke to, they are saying that the strike is on in Lucknow and also in certain parts of Uttar Pradesh. They have said that some people are trying to create misunderstanding. They're trying to give a wrong impression that the strike has been called off. Yes, the people in Kanpur did go back. They're saying that they are providing some medical facilities to patients who are really serious. But on the other hand, they're saying that until and unless a legal action is taken against the SSP of Kanpur as well as against the MLA, Mr. Solanki, they are not going to restore back to normal work. Back to you in studio.
Right, Supriya, so effectively what we're saying, what we'd be seeing there in various cities there in Uttar Pradesh, including Lucknow, as you just mentioned, that the medical crisis there continues. The medical services, the crisis in the medical services there continues today as well.
Certainly it does, and in a way, when we have seen approximately in Kanpur itself, approximately 8,000 patients were affected because of the strike, and we saw approximately around 23 to 30, between 23 and 30
Absolutely.
deaths.
Stay with us, Supriya. We have
Pradesh.
the Uttar Pradesh Congress chief, senior leader of the Congress there, Rita Bahuguna, with us over the phone line. Many thanks for being with us. In your view, the kind of action that the Samajwadi Party government there should promise to be taken against the MLA? Well, we seem to have lost that contact with her, but let's connect with Mr. Lalji Tandon with us over the phone line. Many thanks for being with us. In your view, what kind of action really should be taken by the SP government? Inputs that are coming in from our reporter there in Uttar Pradesh is that the doctors have not called off their strike. They've gone back on strike because their demands have not been met.
देखिए, ये डॉक्टरी प्रोफेशन ही नहीं है, ये एक सेवा भी है और इनका सम्मान किया जाना चाहिए। और अगर ये कि रूलिंग पार्टी के एमएलए और उनके कार्यकर्ता इनकी बेइज्जती करेंगे और सारे प्रदेश के में उनकी बात कोई सुनेगा नहीं, उनके कहने के ऊपर एक व्यक्ति को बचाने के लिए इतने लोगों को जो है उत्तेजित करके सरकार इस पोजीशन पे ला रही है कि सारी स्वास्थ्य सेवाएं जो हैं वो ठप हो जाएं।
जी,
इस पर तुरंत कार्रवाई होना चाहिए था कि वो डॉक्टरों से बात करके और उनकी जो मांगे हैं उसको सब नहीं मानी जा सकती, तो इतना तो मांगी जा सकती है कि जिसने उनको अपमानित किया है, इस पोजीशन पे लाए हैं, उसके ऊपर तो कोई कार्रवाई करें जो उनकी पार्टी का एमएलए है।
जी, तो आपके लिहाज से समाजवादी पार्टी गवर्नमेंट जो है वो सही टाइम पे एक्ट नहीं कर रही है। आपके लिहाज से डॉक्टर्स का जो स्ट्राइक कंटिन्यू है वो ठीक है एक हाथ पे?
हाँ, नहीं, अगर किसी के सम्मान का विषय बन जाता है तो उसे सरकार को अपनी प्रतिष्ठा का प्रश्न नहीं बनाना चाहिए। वार्ता करके, वो सम्मानजनक पेशा है, वो सेवा का कार्य है, उनकी बातों को सुनकर जो वो चाहते हैं उनमें से जो मांग होने वाली है उसको मांग के खत्म कराना चाहिए।
जी टंडन जी, मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी, इफ यू कुड प्लीज होल्ड द लाइन विद अस वंस अगेन फॉर यू एंड आवर व्यूअर्स। वी गोइंग टू प्ले इन अ रिएक्शन दैट्स कमिंग फ्रॉम द एसपी चीफ मुलायम सिंह यादव, really wanting to, in a desperate attempt, wanting to play down that medical crisis, saying that no deaths have taken place because of the doctor's strike. Let's take a listen in.
कौन मार रहा है? तुम्हारे परिवार में कौन मारा? मरीज तुम्हारे गांव में। आप डॉक्टरों की हड़ताल को इतना महत्व दे रहे हैं जबकि डॉक्टरों को नहीं करना चाहिए हड़ताल।
Let's switch gears and get you news that's breaking